Alright. Here's some of the birdhouses I just made. That's just a nesting box. This is some type of like a Louisiana style. Got little stairs. Got a little feeding box. Little stairs that go down right here. Come up. Go to the bait shop. There's that little piece. So that's the one. There's the other one. It's another just little standard little Blue Jay box. There's another one. It's got a little hole in there. This is a planter. Single there and then a planter there. This is like a corner liquor store. Got a little bench, see a little bench. This is hello, little chair, see a little chair? Kinda cool, huh? That's the side of it. Got a little window. Little bush, see a little bush? Shaped like a secretary's desk. Got rope for railing. And that's the corner store. Got another little window on this side of it. Kinda cool. And this is a new one I just got done making like 20 minutes ago. This is the cozy corner. It's a triangle. Got a little chimney on it. And then this got rocks. I went crazy and did some rocks. See? Got a little table there with a little plant. This is 176. It says God bless. Got a little wood pile there. That's right, folks. DirecTV, baby. Look at that shit. Got DirecTV on this house. See? Little DirecTV dish. Now, this house is actually a duplex. There's another house on the back side. See, it's got little furniture there. I made the little umbrella. There's some bark. That one says welcome. This is 177. Kinda cool, huh? I don't know. Oh wait, look, it's got a little barrel like a little table. So, alright. I'll bring you guys here in a second. I'm gonna burn them all. Oh. Take you into the shop. Look at all this lumber. My neighbor gave me all that wood right there. It's all a bunch of cutoffs off his saw. Oh wait. Check out this. I cut out a little. See a little Michael Jackson? You see it? Can you see it? Oh. Doing the moonwalk. Alright, you guys. Later. Peace out.